This topic just reminds me of an impressive experience which happened during last summer vacation. Actually, my father had already made a detailed plan for our family trip to a coastal city in the southern part of China, and my father had booked 3 air tickets for the flight to our travel destination 1 month in advance. Unexpectedly, one day before our departure, we received a text message from the airline company. It informed us that the airport in our travel destination Sanya had been temporarily closed down due to a tropical storm, which happened around the coastal areas of southern China. Due to the unpredictable emergency, we had to change our original plan because my parents just asked for a leave from their work places for only 6 days. We didn't want to ruin the family's trip, so we made another immediate plan to nearby coastal city in the north of China. We still had much fun time together. It turned out that our new plan was quite smart. When I got to know that we couldn't travel to Sanya, I felt a little bit depressed. I remember I didn't speak too much sitting in my father's car to our new travel city until we arrived at the coastal city and saw the golden beach and the azure ocean. My spirit got uplifted.